Hi, I'm John Frazier, franchise partner with Expedia Cruises. Welcome to 5 Minute Review. Today, we're at the Scape Park in Punta Cana.
Hoyo Azul and Scape Park is a family-friendly nature/activities park in the Cap Cana section near Punta Cana. At first, we hesitated to go here because it can seem a little expensive, but considering what we got, it was worth every penny. We view this as an excursion, and it was hands down one of the best excursions we have done as a family. It is so hard to pick my favorite activity here, so I'm just going to go through what we did that stood out and give you a few tips. Before you go, there are a few things you should know. The first thing is that you're going to do a lot of walking here. The complex is huge and the features are spread out. I'm not sure I would recommend this for anyone with mobility or accessibility issues. The second thing is we would recommend planning out your day here ahead of time or the first thing when you get to the park and see the open times for the various activities. Consider doing all of the dry activities first, then moving on to the water activities. For the water activities, you may want a waterproof protector for your phone if you like to take a lot of pictures. We would also recommend a dry change of clothing for the trip home. Here's a list and a quick breakdown of the activities we loved. There's a cave swim here. At first, we were not really sure what that was. We were thinking it might be an underground river, but it's exactly what it sounds like. You're going to be swimming around in a cave. It is beautiful, the water is clear, and they have different colored lights that give it a little extra ambiance. There's also a very interesting walk to get to the cave that takes you past a lot of signs giving you historical information about the Dominican Republic, along with a sample native village. Next, there are a number of animal encounters here, but few let you actually hold the animals, so they're more of exhibits. They have beautiful birds, monkeys, snakes, caged of course, a petting zoo, and not for the faint of heart, an iguana sanctuary. You can actually walk into an area where the iguanas are running freely, and I do mean running. While we were there, the kids got a little uneasy as some of the iguanas were very large and they were chasing each other around. Watch your step.
Why are they coming towards us?
The next thing we really liked was Hoyo Azul. This is a beautiful natural cenote where you can swim. The water is so clear, it makes you a little uneasy getting in because it's hard to gauge the depth. You can see all of the rocks on the bottom. They have a platform that is between 10 to 15 feet that you can jump off into the water. That is a lot of fun, and don't worry, the water is plenty deep enough. Life jackets are provided. The only thing is the walk to get to it is really, really long, but the path is well marked and there's actually a snack shack along the way. One of our favorite activities were the zip lines through the canopy. This was one of the things that I really enjoyed. There is a lot of walking and steps to move through the course as you're moving up the side of a hill, but it's totally worth it. The vistas you get are just incredible, plus the thrill of ziplining. This would have been worth what we paid to get in alone. Check out our 360 video of this to really get a feel for the zipline. The last thing that we really liked here was the water Oasis area. It's not the official name for it, it's just what we called it. It was so much fun. We probably could have spent the entire day here. They have a waterfall, a swimming area out in front of that where you can just kind of splash around. There's a cave area behind the waterfall you can hang out and swim in. They also have a number of zipline experiences. The first you hang on to and drop off into the water. No harnesses or assist, everything is under your power. The next are the Hammock Chairs that go down a zipline and glide to a stop in the water. These were a big favorite with our kids as they are not that intimidating and you can keep going through pretty quickly. The last thing, my favorite, was a full-on zip line into the water. You start up on a tower and race down a very long zip line until you come splashing into the water. Wow, loved it, do it 100 times. We were so fortunate that we went at the tail end of COVID and the park was not that crowded when we were there. We could do a lot of the major things multiple times without waiting. Even so, with a full day there, we did not really get everything in. They do offer add-on excursions like buggy tours or a sunset cruise, but in my opinion, if you did those, you're trading out time for something in the park. Even if it is a time of year when that is not the case, because the days are longer, you would need an insane amount of energy to enjoy it all. To get the most out of your experience here, we recommend it for children over the age of 10. Mainly due to the amount of walking and the number of zipline activities, we feel you will get the most bang for your buck with the older kids. Overall, we highly recommend this for anyone planning a trip to Punta Cana. If you would like more information, you can really immerse yourself with our 360-degree tour video, or check out our blog post on FrazierFieldReport.com. Links to all of these are in the description of this video below.
Thanks for checking out this episode of 5 Minute Review. If we've inspired you to travel and you're not already working with a travel advisor, please consider using our team of experts. Whether it's cruise, land, or VRBO, we have experience with all of them. If you've liked what you've seen here, do us a favor and give us a like below. And follow our channel for future episodes. Until we see you again, travel and be well.